Okay, first things first, we're going to install the rear main seal. So let's get a rag, let's clean up the seal surface. Even though this is brand new, it's already clean. Sometimes there's a little oil there. Okay, gonna take our rear main seal, dip our finger in oil, and lube the inner ring. Now, we're gonna put the rear main seal on like that. Make sure the tool is clean. And we'll use our fancy company 23 tool. To install the rear main seal. Loosen them all back up. Okay, now it is important to make sure you didn't fold over this inner lip. That's pretty much all that's going to matter, and it looks good. But you'd be able to see fairly easily that you had folded it over. Rear main is flush with the block, you know, even though I used the tool. I think it could go in a little further. And further down here, it's not really that flush. Okay, that's better. Now, you're gonna make sure all these are clean, or maybe you bought a new kit. Put the O-ring in there. 2 Phillips screws. There you go. Take your block. Down. And we're going to tighten that up. Over the years, you can feel a crush washer. Set. Now that's good. We can put the cover on here. It does maybe come with some oil on it, so always take your brake clean. You can see some oil has dripped down here. Clean the face up. We have our plate. It's been cleaned in the ultrasonic. I'm just gonna give that another clean too. Make sure it doesn't have any dust or anything on it. Now we'll apply RTV. Now, personally, everybody likes their own method. I like to use the finger spread method. And we are using some Ultra Gray by Permatex. Doesn't matter if we're sloppy, because we're going back in. We'll take out all that extra. You only need a very thin layer. You don't want to goop up these Subarus with RTV. Have that going through the oil system and clogging everything up. So a nice thin layer is all you need. Okay, got a nice thin layer. We got RTV all over the place. And we're just going to snug it down.